mutumina ka danna min subscribe kana ka je ka saki danna min kararrawa sanarwa sai da zarar mun ɗora sabon shiri za ka same shi a kan lokaci. Na gode.
Right in Delta State and beyond, he's here to support the protest and he has something to say to us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Sean Bebe, aka Soft Oboroko Boy. SOB is in the building. That's how it just be. Take it outside. Take it inside. Area. I beg you, make it not be like say we don't know the reason why we gather here. If you believe that police don't brutalize you, must your hands up like this. And if you strongly believe that with this great cause, police, both sides, SWAT, and the kind of the one giver, go end, must your hands up. Nobody call a package for anybody. Based on say government na HK, police na pick up. Government na HK. Government na HK. Now one for you, they go end everything. We dey here. Then they bring rice, then they bring garri, then they bring everything. We dey here, but don't believe dey here. Anybody wey wan shop, the kitchen dey the back of this canopy. Come shop. But I beg, nobody is entitled to double portion. But I say make the corruption not start from you, not be so. Take one and make you buga comot. We dey here for 7 days though. Nobody dey enter, nobody dey comot. Not be so. If you are with me, man, see hands up like this now. That's what I say, tell them man, what's the time for them? Now what for you? They don't help anybody. The youth say enough is enough. You say you don't know how they go. We dey do the gbedu for the nightlife. But like this when the protest reach night, you go enter concert. Today break again, go enter protest. Night come again, go enter concert. You enter with me. Oh yeah, somebody sit down for there. Somebody, tell that man who sit down for there. That IC will sit down for there. Even your son will relax for there. When they see you running here, come out for there. On top of Kenny, you dey dance key. You don't forget Kenny the trouble key. We can't leave that, but we see the do soapy. You want to kill yourself, Abi? This is that why we are here. Thank you very much. But don't worry. We don't go anywhere. We don't lock everywhere. They go lock the GS roundabout. They go lock who gets. No. Everywhere is locked. Nobody not going out. Okay, mostly information reaching us. GSC roundabout has been shut down. Nobody say we go lock out. It's already shut down. Everywhere is shut down. Monday. Until nobody they come from Port Harcourt, nobody they go. Until they nobody they come from Benin, nobody they go. Nobody they go Lagos, nobody they come. We go shut them down until they end police brutality, end SAF, end SWAT, bring back MPA, make our refinery start working, bring back TSC, reduce the price of NEPABI, bring down the price of DSTV. We bring back our government. Okay, we have Meshach. Also, Meshach, please come up. Our celebrities come outside. We put our name, we put our family, we put everything. Meshach, go up. We don't fear again. Because our friends they suffer. Meshach, go up. We are smart. Thank you, Meshach. No problem. Going in. There you guys get to be in the building with us. Because already they come join us. Every Delta, every single Delta celebrity, they come. It's our show. this house one place. Buy for me.